According to official statistics, traffic accidents kill 60,000 people in China every year. Mortality rate of highway accidents is 0.77, which means approximately only 1 out of 4 people can survive in a highway accident. Recent studies have showed that 89.1% of accidents caused by drivers' own mistakes, ascribed to drivers' false perception or false behavior of decision. To help driver better understand the road, Mini-Eye emerged with algorithms specialized in computer vision. With these advanced algorithms, Mini-Eye onboard camera can scan road around and accurately identify a variety of traffic objects, including pedestrians, vehicles, lanes, and traffic light and traffic signs. By analyzing the identified objects, the smart camera is able to see potential driving risks and alert the driver to avoid accidents. In Mini-Eye, researchers and engineers from 5 countries work together. Focusing on the local traffic and driving behaviors in China, they developed a series of computer vision algorithms. It performs robustly, even under complicated conditions of weather and light and traffic in China. It's more awesome that Mini-Eye is creating an artificial intelligence named Kiddo. With customers' authorization, Kiddo can get data from every Mini-Eye onboard cameras around the world. Utilizing the advanced DNN technology, he can evolve continuously by learning from user-generated big data. By syncing with Kiddo, the camera would automatically update its software system, providing better user experience. In the future, Kiddo also expects to show his muscle in the field of autonomous driving. AI makes driving safer.